We are gonna make a pizza on the Green Mountain Grill tonight, featuring the Butsy Hot Truffle Sauce. We got Green Mountain Grill gloves on. No, you are not watching Dexter. Gonna sprinkle a little bit of, what do we got?
Flour.
Semolina flour.
So it
Make
slides
sure it doesn't stick to it. Okay, all right. Get our sauce on there. A little halajou. We're gonna hit it with a little bit of mozzarella. We're gonna do some bacon. Just lather that right on there.
Let's get some veggie boost.
Woo! So good and tasty. Is that, wow. It works out fast.
Yeah. What's it saying?
This is my secret ingredient. It's pre-dried cilantro. Now, we are not done with the Butsy Hot Truffle Sauce. Cheers. This tastes like you're gonna live in your bathroom tomorrow, but you will be a king tonight. So good.
It's good.